Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest advancements in technology. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and its impact on various industries. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been making significant strides in recent years, revolutionizing sectors such as healthcare, finance, and transportation. Join us as we explore the incredible ways AI is transforming these industries and discover some cutting-edge AI applications. Let's get started. AI in healthcare. Discuss how AI is revolutionizing healthcare by improving diagnostics, personalized medicine, and patient care. Highlight AI-powered medical imaging, predictive analytics, virtual health assistants, and the potential of AI in drug discovery. AI in finance. Explore how AI is reshaping the financial industry, including applications in fraud detection, algorithmic trading, personalized financial advice, and risk assessment. Discuss the benefits of AI-driven chatbots and voice assistants in customer service. AI in transportation. Highlight the role of AI in transforming transportation systems, including self-driving cars, traffic optimization, and predictive maintenance. Discuss the potential of AI to improve safety, reduce congestion, and enhance overall efficiency. AI in manufacturing. Explain how AI is enhancing manufacturing processes, including predictive maintenance, quality control, and supply chain optimization. Discuss the integration of AI-powered robots and smart machines in factory settings. AI in retail. Discuss how AI is revolutionizing the retail industry, including personalized recommendations, inventory management, and virtual shopping assistants. Explore the impact of AI-powered chatbots in customer service and conversational commerce. AI in agriculture. Explore the applications of AI in agriculture, such as precision farming, crop monitoring, and yield prediction. Discuss the benefits of AI-powered drones and sensors in optimizing resource allocation and improving crop productivity. AI in education. Highlight the impact of AI on education, including personalized learning experiences, intelligent tutoring systems, and automated grading. Discuss how AI is revolutionizing online learning platforms and enabling adaptive learning paths. AI in cybersecurity. Discuss the role of AI in strengthening cybersecurity defenses, including threat detection, anomaly detection, and real-time incident response. Explore the potential of AI in combating emerging cyber threats and protecting sensitive data. AI in energy. Highlight the applications of AI in the energy sector, including smart grid optimization, renewable energy forecasting, and demand response systems. Discuss how AI can contribute to a more efficient and sustainable energy future. Ethical considerations and future challenges. Wrap up the video by discussing the ethical considerations and potential challenges associated with AI implementation, such as privacy concerns, bias in algorithms, and the need for responsible AI development and regulation. Artificial intelligence is reshaping industries in ways we never thought possible. From healthcare and finance to transportation and manufacturing, AI is driving innovation and transforming the way we live and work. We've only scratched the surface of what AI can do, and the future holds even more exciting possibilities. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more technology-related content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.